BEA's Eagle is a motion sensor designed for the activation of automatic pedestrian doors. The Eagle is compatible with all makes and models of swinging, sliding, folding, and revolving automatic doors. The standard Eagle has a mounting height range of 6 to 13 feet. The Eagle HM, or high mount, has a mounting height range of 10 to 16.5 feet, making it ideal for use on large format doors in industrial environments. By default, the Eagle sensor utilizes unidirectional radar, which increases energy efficiency by detecting approaching traffic while ignoring motion away from the door. The sensor can also be set to bidirectional detection. In the box, you will find the Eagle sensor, screw pack, wire harness, mounting template, and user's guide. Main components of the sensor include the main connector, wide zone antenna, narrow zone antenna, push buttons, and cover. Do not touch the electrical components of the sensor. Avoid vibrations such as fans or motors. Avoid proximity to neon lamps or moving objects. Do not cover the sensor. The Eagle sensor can be mounted on a horizontal or vertical surface. For example, on a ceiling or on a wall, respectively. If mounting on a horizontal surface, the sensor must be mounted in front of the door. If mounting on a vertical surface, the sensor must be mounted above the door. To remove the cover, insert a flathead screwdriver between the cover and the sensor and lift upwards. Apply the mounting template. Drill one hole using a 1/4 inch bit for the wire harness and pull it through. Drill 2 holes using a 1/8 inch bit for the screws. Before wiring, secure the sensor firmly. Connect the wires accordingly. Red to power supply positive, black to power supply negative, white to common, and green to NO, normally open, or green to NC, normally closed. Position the wire harness as shown. For the standard Eagle, choose the appropriate antenna for the preferred detection zone width. The wide antenna covers a detection zone of 13 foot by 6 foot 6 inches at a 7 foot mounting height. The narrow antenna covers a detection zone of 6 foot 6 inches by 8 foot at a 7 foot mounting height. To change the antenna, carefully lift the antenna cover off. Slide the other antenna out of its slot. Place the other antenna in the slot. Position your desired antenna using the guides and replace the antenna cover. If desired, adjust the antenna angle laterally or vertically to position the detection field. When mounting at the maximum height, BEA recommends a 15-degree tilt angle. After mechanical adjustments, apply the cover firmly over the sensor. To remove the cover, insert a flathead screwdriver into the hole and push down. Using the BEA Universal Remote Control, part number 10 remote, you can program the Eagle for the desired application. Reference the Eagle Family User's Guide for a detailed chart of remote settings. Using the BEA Universal Remote, you can program zone size, immunity filter, output configuration, hold open time, mounting height, and door control. Settings highlighted in yellow are factory values. To reset the Eagle sensor to factory values, press Unlock, Magic Wand, 9 on the BEA Universal Remote. To reset the Eagle sensor to factory values using the push buttons, press and hold both push buttons for 2 seconds until the LED flashes red. An access code of 1 to 4 digits is recommended to set sensors that are installed close to each other. To save a new access code, press Unlock, Lock, a 1 to 4 digit code, Lock, Lock. Once you have saved an access code, you always need to enter this code to unlock the sensor. If you forget the access code, cycle the power. For the first minute, you can access the sensor without an access code. To delete an access code, press Unlock, the 1 to 4 digit access code, Lock, 0, Lock, Lock. The Eagle family has a number of installation accessories, including rain covers, mounting brackets, a ceiling mount accessory, and spacers. Visit beasensors.com and view the Eagle Family Accessories User's Guide for more information on the mounting and installation of these accessories. The Eagle Rain Cover, part number 10 ERC, and the Eagle Rain Accessory, part number 10 ERA, should be used in outdoor applications. The Eagle Ceiling Adapter, part number 10 ECA, is a mounting accessory used for recessed ceiling mount applications. The Eagle Spacer Bracket, part number 10 Eagle Spacer, is a spacer bracket for the Eagle for applications where the sensor is being blocked by a door frame or other interfering object from below the sensor. The Eagle Spacer V, part number 10 Eagle Spacer V, is a spacer accessory with an integrated NTSC compliant video camera that provides high quality overhead footage of the area in front of the door. The Eagle Mounting Bracket, part number 10 EMB, is designed for applications where a vertical mounting location may not exist. The BEA Universal Remote Control, part number 10 Remote, assists in the adjustment of BEA sensors. Still have questions? Need support? Contact BEA's technical service team at 1-800-523-2462 or visit our website at beasensors.com.